Tired of your cell phone bill feeling like a monthly ransom demand? Let's break down Mint Mobile and US Mobile, two budget-friendly options, to see which one truly fits your lifestyle. First up, plans. Mint Mobile is famous for its bulk discounts. You prepay for 3, 6, or 12 months of service. US Mobile offers a more granular approach. They have truly customizable plans, letting you pick your exact data amount, and they also offer pre-built unlimited plans. Speed is king. Both Mint and US Mobile are MVNOs, meaning they piggyback off major networks. Mobile for Mint and Verizon for US Mobile. Real-world speeds depend heavily on location and network congestion. ISO check coverage maps for your area. User feedback tends to favor US Mobile for consistent Verizon speeds, but mobile's coverage has greatly improved. Flexibility is where US Mobile shines. Need to change your data mid-month? Easy with Mint. You're locked into your prepaid term. However, that prepayment can translate to bigger savings if you know your usage. Consider how your data needs fluctuate. If you stream a lot one month and barely use data the next, US Mobile wins. Globetrotters, listen up. Both offer international options, but they differ. Mint Mobile lets you purchase Prime credits for international calls and texts and data, but offers very limited coverage. US Mobile has extensive international eSIM options, giving you local data in many countries, which is often cheaper and more convenient. Customer support. Both carriers primarily offer online chat and support. Articles. User reviews often mention longer wait times with Mint Mobile. US Mobile generally receives better ratings for responsiveness and helpfulness if you anticipate needing frequent support. This is a major factor. So, who wins? Mint Mobile is for budget-conscious users who are okay with prepayment and less flexibility. US Mobile is ideal if you value customization, potentially better speeds, and stronger customer support. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your unique needs and usage patterns. Do your research and choose wisely.